create an external API request from the bot builder, and the response that you get from the API call, you can send it in the next step to the end user as a text message. So we have this external API request for Zoho Desks, wherein we are creating a ticket via the API. So you need to have an external API request block, and you can fill all of your API details here, and then you need to click on run and save. This way one request or one sample request call would be done. Now in the next step, you need to click on the plus icon and then click on save variable value, and the response from your external request would be visible here. And then you can, if you have more than one response, you can map multiple fields here. If you have only one response, you need to create a bot field, not necessarily exactly same as the same value. It might be different based on your requirement, and you need to map it here and then click on save action. So now what is basically happening, an external API request is being done. The response from the API call is the ticket number. We are saving it in a bot field here. And then in the next step, we have mapped the particular bot field using this option. So the ticket has been generated and the bot field has been mapped. So why do you need to save the output of external response to bot field in the next step itself? Because bot presently have a memory of just one step. So if you have more than one fields in the output, you can create multiple bot fields and map them in the next step itself, and then use it in various steps ahead. Because once you save the variable here in the bot field, it gets stored in the particular bot field variable and can be reused in any further steps. Thank you.